Morning children. Today we are going to see term 1 chapter 1 number system. In number system we are going to see integers. Integers means integers are collection of natural numbers, zeros and negative numbers, and we have to draw the number line using the integers like this. So 0, here it is 0, and the natural numbers and the negative of the natural numbers, that is minus, we have to add minus. Negative means the symbol is minus. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that we have to write it. And now we are going to see the introduction part. In the number system we can use in real life. So we can use in mountains to find out the sea level. So the uses of number system in real life: mountains, below sea level and above sea level, we are going to find it out. We can find the, using the number system we can find the sea level of the mountain. Then we can compare the temperature of Arctic, Antarctic and equator in the world. Next we are going to see addition of integers. That is, the number line is a simple tool to visualize addition of integers. For example, let us see. Now you are standing in a road, that is, you are standing here. Now you have to move front and back. Now you are moving front in 5 units, means you can convert it as, so 1 unit means 0 to 1, it is 1 unit. So now here 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. This is, now you have moved front 5 units and you have to maintain the same direction. Now then you are going to move back in the same direction, that is, back means you have to subtract from the number line. So first from 5 you have to go back. So 5 means 1 unit, 2 unit, then 3 unit. So you will be here in 2. So plus 5 plus minus 3 equal to 2. By using number lines we have to find the addition of integers using this type of rules. So you have to move in the same direction, as well as you have to maintain the units properly. Now let us see some examples. Now example 1.1. Add the following using number system: 10 and minus 15. So we have to draw a number line. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Then from subtraction type 15. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, till whatever number you want you can add it. Now we are going to draw the units. So first they have given plus 10, that is 10, we can read it as plus 10. Now 10 means 10 units you have to move from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So this is, we have covered 10 units. Then we have to subtract. How means plus into minus. That is, plus into minus means we have to change it as subtraction. So we have to subtract minus 15. That is, minus 15 means, so from 10 we have to subtract 15 units. So from 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now you will stand here. So 15 units. Now the answer of 10 plus of minus 15 equal to, what is? You will stand in minus 5. So likewise another example they have given here. So minus 7 and minus 9. So first you have to, so both are minus means you can take it from here, that is 0. So 1, 2, 3. Now here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16. Okay, now we have to subtract minus 5. So from 0 we have to minus 7. So from 0 we have to minus 7. So here it is 0, we have to subtract 7 units, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we have subtracted 7 units. Then from 7 we have to subtract 9 units in the same direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we will stand here. So now we have subtracted 9 units. So the answer will be, so minus 7 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 16. Now next example 1.2. Now add minus 40 and 30 without using number line. We can add it. If they mentioned add the following using number line, means we can do it using number line. If they didn't mention, just if they asked you to add, means you can add without using number line. Now let us learn how to add without using number line. So now we can just write it as minus 40 plus 30. Now as I said before, we have to convert this plus and minus as minus into plus equal to minus. So now we have to see whether it is minus or plus, and we have to compare the numbers whether it is bigger number or smaller number. Now minus 40 plus 30. So the bigger symbol is minus, so we have to write minus in the answer too. So plus into minus, it is minus, so we have to minus 40 plus 30. So 40 minus 30 is 10. That's all. Clear? Next it is 60 and minus 50. Now here also we have to write it as 60 plus minus 50. You have to write the question as it is, but in the name of and you have to write addition symbol. That's all. Now here also you have to convert it as plus into minus equal to minus. So 60 plus into minus minus, so 50. Now we have to see whether the symbol is in greater number or in smaller number. It is in smaller number, so we can write it as plus. This in this 60 is the biggest number. In 60 it is plus symbol. So 60 minus 50 is 10. So we can write it simply as 10. Now next, add example 1.3. Add minus 70 and minus 12. So now we are going to change it as in addition form. So 70 plus minus 12. Okay. Now is equal to. Now here first you have to see this symbol and this symbol. So this is minus into plus. So minus into plus equal to minus. So here it will change it as minus. So here it will change it as minus. So now we have to see this symbol and this symbol, that is minus into minus equal to plus. Okay, so now we have to see the bigger symbol, that is in subtraction. So 70 and 12, when we compare this, 70 is the biggest number, so we have to write the symbol of the biggest number, that is minus, and we have to add the numbers. So 70 plus 12, the answer will be 8. We have to add it. So 82 minus 82 will be the answer. So next question is 103 and 39. They have given simply, so 103 and means plus 39. So we have to add it, that's it. So 103 39. So when you add it, you will get 142. The 142, that's all. Now example 1.4. A submarine is at 32 feet below the sea level. Then it moves up 8 feet. Find the depth of the submarine. Now let us see the answer. Now first, the submarine is at 32 feet below. So submarine is at 32 feet below means you have to write the symbol subtraction. So minus 32, then it moves upward, moves upward means addition symbol. Then we have to find the depth of submarine. So when we have to find the depth of submarine, means we have to find the total distance. So we have to add it. So minus 32 plus 8. We can write it as minus 32 plus 8. As usual, minus into plus equal to minus. So 32 minus 8. Then 32 minus 8. It is, now we can write it 32 minus 8. Now we have to subtract it. So we can change the numbers. So 4, 2. So the answer will be, now we have to compare the symbol of the biggest number, that is subtraction. Then we have to write 24. Now the answer will be, the submarine is at minus 24, means we can convert it as 24 feet below. That is 24 feet below the sea level. Next question, there is next example 1.5. Sita saved rupees 225, that is 225, and he has spent rupees 400 on credit basis for the purchase of stationeries. Find her due amount. That is, now Sita saved equal to 225 rupees she has saved, and she has spent on stationery equal to rupees 400. Now how much amount should he have to be due amount of Sita? Now for finding the due amount, we have to subtract both the rupees. So 225 minus 400. So we can subtract it and see. 225 is 400. So here we have to borrow the value. Now 5, 7, 1. So now we have to compare. So now we have to compare the greatest number symbol, that is subtraction. So now the answer will be 175 rupees. So rupees 175 is her due amount. Now the next question is example 1.6. From the ground level, a man went up 6 floors and came down 6 floors. In which floor is he now? Now how we have to find the answer is, now a man went up 6 floors. So up 6 floor means we have to write it as plus 6. Then he came down 6 floor. So down 6 floors means we have to write it as minus 6. So in which floor is he now? So we have to find whether he is in ground floor or in 6th floor, whatever floor we have to find it. Now for that we have to add the distance. So plus 6 plus of minus 6, right? So plus 6 plus minus 6. So from plus to plus, it will be plus of minus 6. Now as usual, plus into minus equal to minus, okay, is equal to, so 6 minus 6, it is 0. So the value will be 0. So the man will be in ground floor. So 0 means it is ground floor. Now let us see some properties of addition integer. Now first one is closure property. For any two integers a comma b, a plus b is also an integer. Nothing here a and b, we can take whatever number from our integer that is in number line. That is, we can take 1 comma 2 means if you add, that is 1 comma plus 2, you have to get the number with which is in integer. Okay, so now 1 and 2 is an integer and 3 is also will be in integer. If you add 1 plus 2, we will get 3. Now the 3 is also will be in integer. The next one is commutative property, that is for any two integer a comma b, if you add a plus b equal to b plus a, if we can take the same numbers, that is 1 comma 2. So here 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 means 3 and 2 plus 1 means 3. So these two both the numbers are same. So this property also will be satisfied. Next it is associative property. For any three integers a comma b comma c, so we can take whatever number 1, 2 and 3 and we have to substitute in this format, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. So now a means 1, b 2, c means 3. So plus it. Now here also a means 1, 2, c means 3. Now 1 keep it as it is. Then 2 plus 3 is 5 equal to 1 plus 2 is 3. Then write the 3 as it is. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 6. So this associative property also will be satisfied. Next additive identity. For any integer a plus 0 equal to a equal to 0 plus a. Now let us take a as 1. Now 1 plus 0 equal to 1 equal to 0 plus 1. Now 0 plus 1 is can be written as 1. So the identity element of addition is 0. Next, additive inverse. For any integer a comma minus a is the inverse of a is minus a. So a plus minus a equal to 0 equal to minus a plus a. For example, if we take 1. Now we have to write the additive inverse of 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0 equal to the same as minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So the additive inverse of a is minus a.